top 1 goated saxophone line ever. Ah! I don't like this
but
level.
the dude was also gay, so
What?
he kind of liked it.
Relatable. Gavin, this shouldn't be surprising to you.
Not really.
Gulp. Yes! I beat it, guys. I beat it. I beat it! Yes! Yes! We beat it! Yeah, hell yeah. I like it. I like this level. This is a good level. No, but I can clip it. GG's!